Good morning, Coffee Klatsch friends. Today is Tuesday, January 20th. Thanks for joining me for Coffee Klatsch. How is everybody? Are you surviving the cold? I feel like it's the cold has just made my brain move like sludge. Well, that's usual. But anyways, hopefully everybody is having a great day snuggled in. And I am so glad that I am not someone that works outside because it is nasty. At least it's sunny, so that makes it feel a little bit better. So, all right, I'm going to make a quick little card today using the Endless Love bundle. Today is the last day that you can sign up for the Endless Love Card Stash DoorDash. And again, remember, that is a kit, or basically a little mini class that comes to your house. You need to have the stamp set or something coordinating, something that would be similar, and you can make some fabulous cards with it. So today is the last day to sign up for the Endless Love Card Stash DoorDash, and I'm going to flip you around and show you one of the cards from it. Here we go. My desk is a disaster. Maybe that's what I should do today. I got a lot of things accomplished yesterday, but cleaning off my desk was not one of them. So, all right. We are using Endless Love, cute little stamp set. Good morning, Joan, Ruby. Nice to have both of you along this morning. Ruby, you tell Dan that on Thursday we are going to make a Valentine with the tractor. Or maybe you don't want to tell him because you could maybe make this Valentine for him. All right, so here we go. Endless Love. This is one of the cards that is in the Card Stash DoorDash, like I said. And so we are going to quickly stamp this together. I'm using Bubble Bath and Poppy Parade, two really fun colors for Valentine's Day. All right, I've got the Poppy Parade cardstock, as well as some of the, what is this one called? It's not Endless Love. This one is called something. I can't even remember. Let's look. All right. It is called something love. In the back under paper, it is called, I don't know. Made with Love. There we go. Made with Love. And this is Made with Love. All right, so we're going to just attach this one to the card base, or to the Poppy Parade. And then we are going to attach this with dimensionals to our card base itself. Now again, this is going to be a fairly simple, cute little Valentine. If you wanted to step it up, you could certainly do another layer and emboss it. You could stamp on it, but again, I want this to be super easy and adorable. Look at how cute that is. All right, so now we are going to take and add our two designer series papers. I did 2 little strips, and what we're going to do is we're just going to put those on an angle. And again, there's some really cute patterns in this pack, so you could mix and match these however you'd like. But isn't that cute? Just kind of a little feature. All right, so let's go ahead and stamp our, we're going to take our Endless Love, and we're going to stamp the X and the O. Okay, and we're going to do that in Bubble Bath. And then we are going to stamp the Hugs and Kisses. And we're going to do that in Poppy Parade, right over the X and the O. And we will take the die, the cute little heart die. Let's go ahead and do that right away. I'm going to walk over to George instead of getting Georgette out this morning. Hold on. Talk amongst yourselves. Tell me if you like chocolate or flowers better on Valentine's Day. Or maybe a cleaning lady, I don't know. Oops, this is crooked. Stay still. Hugs and kisses. So just a cute little hugs and kisses. We're going to attach that with dimensionals to the paper. Good morning, Wendy. How are you this morning? All right. Nice to have all of you along this morning. I was moving so slow this morning. I don't know what my deal was. Maybe that it's, feels like it's about -30. All right, and then of course we need to add a little ribbon. You will get some of this paper, some of this ribbon. If you do the DoorDash, Card Stash DoorDash, you'll get all of that. Nice little sweet. It's a sweet, sweet, pun intended. Right? A cleaning lady, a chef, yes, I know, right? All right, super cute. And then let's just go ahead and add our little arrow, and that's going to go right here on the bottom. All right, and that's going to go right there. Look at how cute that is, you guys. It's super easy, totally adorable, and one of the Card Stash DoorDash for January. Again, you need to place your order by today. Today is the last day to sign up. So thanks again, friends. You guys have a great day. Try to stay warm. I spent the whole day in the studio yesterday, so it was nice and toasty and lovely. So thanks again, friends. Have a great day. Toodles.